In this video, I will show you how you can get Litematica 1.21.7. Let's go. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up a browser and then you just need to write Litematica. And probably it will be the link from Moderate or CurseForge. Both are good, easy to follow and easy to download it. So I use Moderate, go to versions, then select latest version here and download it to your computer. Save it to desktop, okay? Next thing what you need to do here, you just need to write on Google or on Moderate malilib and also download this mod with the latest version right here, right? And next thing what we need to do here, on Google you just need to write Fabric MC, then press downloads and download universal jar and save it to your computer as well. And then what you need to do here is to look for Fabric API. Also Moderate is good. Go to versions and then download the latest version to your computer. Once you have these 4 files, we're good to go. So the next step what you need to do here, you need to completely close Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher from your computer, but you need to be played for a 1 or more times 1.21.7. If you do not play it, you just need to try to play vanilla version or other, because if you do not play it, it won't work. So the first step here, what you need to do here is to open Fabric installer, and then you need to make sure that Minecraft version is 1.21.7 and then press install. If Force Fabric installer do not open, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you're running Java 25, because without Java 25 it won't work. So just open a browser and then just write Java 21 download and download Java 21 and you'll be good. Next thing what we need to do here, we need to open up Minecraft Launcher. Then what you need to do here is to select Java Edition, go to installation, then select modded, and then you should see Fabric Loader, and then you just need to open installation folder, right? And once the folder is opened here, you should see mods folder here. If for some reason you don't see mods folder, you just simply need to just press new and create a mods folder here. And then what you need to do here is simply drag and drop these files that we got it here. So the files like Litematica, malilib, and Fabric API should be added to mods folder. Once you've done that, you just need to open up Minecraft, then go to Java Edition play, make sure you selected Fabric Loader, and then you just need to hit play. And then once you're in the single player or your own server, then what you need to do here is to press letter M and to open up Litematica, as you can see here, menu, and then you can do whatever you want to do here. So yeah, that's basically it.